All right. It is October 7th? 6th. 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. October 6th, 2017, and Cleis and I are getting ready to do the adventure hiking trail twice as long as we did last year. And we're starting here right at the beginning of the park, and we're going to do about 5 miles today and about 5 miles tomorrow for a total of 10 miles.
Yep.
So we'll check in later. Bye. Yep. Cold Friday was the original one, but Old Forest was the one we just went down.
Yeah, that's what I see. Did you go and just around the top?
What was it?
Spider?
Oh yeah, that's what you needed your stick for, remember?
Yeah!
Whacking spider webs.
That's what it was.
We'll just get a picture.
Oh, it's a video. Hi.
Because I can't do it easily. Hi.
Bye.
Goodbye. Okay.
I just want a second to make an adventure.
Let me see your stick.
Daddy, I'm...
Switch with me.
Oh my god. Oh, it's gone, it's gone. Daddy, careful, please.
There he is. Look at him. Holy crap, he's so fast. Look, he's clear over there.
Where did he go?
So we are 2.1 miles in, and Cleis and I are having a well-deserved lunch break. That last hill was pretty rough, and this is the perfect little spot before we begin the big hike up to the Indian Creek shelter. So we're having a little snack of crackers and cheese and a little summer sausage and an apple. So we'll check back later. Bye.
Bye. Hi. We're about 3 miles in. We need a rest.
A lot of hills. Hills are wiping us out. A lot of sweat.
Yeah. We're doing good.
Yeah, we'll make it.
Bye-bye. Check out this awesome mushroom I found. It's like a smoke bomb or whatever.
Uh-oh, there's a jug. Good camping spot down there.
I was thinking the same thing. You can climb down there. Look, right there. You walk down the side of the rock.
Rappel. We could have bought our rappelling ropes. Okay.
Ready? Hi. Wait.
Hold up to your face. Here's the primitive site. Is that a little candle?
Yeah.
Well, we'll definitely use that little fire pit. Well, it is now 6 o'clock. We left at 1:30. We went ahead and passed the Indian Creek shelter and came another 1.1 miles on to the primitive shelter. So Cleis and I are here now, and we're pretty tired. This is the primitive shelter. Not much for sleeping, but good for sticking our packs in, I guess. And we have a fire pit. And it's not like a professional fire pit.
I got him. Oh.
Oh. So we are getting ready to set up camp, set our tent up, and make a fire and all that business.
All the fun stuff.
Yes. Okay. 6:40. Cleis is going to do a 1-match fire start.
It didn't work.
Cleis is going to do a 2-match fire start.
Yeah.
With all natural materials. Come on, Cleis. Give it the little blow. Oh. How many survivors would be jealous? Those little sticks off there, start putting those on there to the... Yeah. Get that fire, get that fire. Oh, it's looking good. 2-match Cleis, that's what we're going to call her.
Oh, okay.
Good shot. Two-match Cleis. Two-match Cleis.
You're funny. Ha ha ha. Oh my. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that was easy. Well, that was a much better time than last
Yeah, that
time.
was a lot harder.
But it's because it's drier.
Pretty dry. Put those bad boys on there.
Those things are big.
Me, fire!
What? Who's that?
That's
Castaway?
Yeah. Look what I have made. I have made fire!
Alright, here's our campfire. Then over here we got our table and bench to sit on that we ate dinner. Then over here we got our tent. And it has like the nice LED lights in it. And here we have Daddy.
Well, it's morning time, about 9:30, October 7th, 2017. We have just broke camp. We had biscuits and gravy, freeze-dried for breakfast, hot chocolate. We had a nice place there for our tent. A little table we made, a little bench. Cleis is packing up her bag on my pack. And we're getting ready to head out, headed to the homestead shelter and then to Cold Friday Road and hope somebody picks us up, or we got a long hike back to the camp.
Here it goes.
Oh. Yep.
He's about to jump. Wait.
I got it. Here comes the homestead shelter. Man, this is a big old area. Look, picnic tables everywhere. This must be popular. This is the don't fall over the Overlook. This is the Ohio River, excuse me, the Homestead Shelter Overlook. And this is cool.
Oh, feel the breeze.
Heck yeah. This has been cool to come down even at night.
Oh. Oh my god. Ah, Daddy, don't do that.
This is fantastic.
All right.
Okay.
We are coming to the end of our adventure on the adventure hiking trail.
Almost 10.5 miles, or should be 10.5 miles. And we got about, I don't know, 500 yards to go. We'll be to the road. Cleis is going to turn it around and walk you out.
Alrighty. I see the road.
There's your creek bed, you're right.
There's where that other trail, I bet, comes out.
See, here's a gate right here, it's locked.
Mm-hmm. And looks like we have made it to the end. Here we go.
Oh. Here it is.
Yeah, it might be kind of hard for a car to cross this.
It'd have to be a Jeep. Yeah, I couldn't even get through here. I don't know. Here's 1 year ago. This is where we started, right here. And therefore, this is where we'll wait for Melissa to come get us, I hope. Greenbrier Trail. All right. It's been a good one, Cleis.
Yep.
Fun.